Good evening, class. Today we are going to learn about probability. I will guide you through different examples, and so you can get a better understanding, I am going to give you real-life scenarios where you could use probability. By the time you do this assignment, you will feel very comfortable doing it. I will provide you a spinner. For this assignment, you will need the spinner. You would spin the spinner and write down how many times the cookies based on the spinner were chosen. After that, you will write a short summary of the outcome. For example, the red cookies were chosen 5 out of 10 times, or the blue cookies were less likely to be chosen with 1 out of 10 times. We are going to do this assignment in school, and I hope you guys have fun doing it.